Insulated wrenches, pliers, and other tools for working with live electrical installations are made from high-quality tool steel. A special feature of these insulated tools is the process of multi-layer plastification, which guarantees a top-quality product safe for use around live circuits. As a second line, they are a product insulated with dual-component tubes. UNIOR insulated tools are tested according to VDE regulations and comply with the internationally acknowledged European standard that allows these tools to be used around live circuits of up to 1000 volts. Each tool is tested individually and must pass an electrical test. UNIOR insulated tools are made in compliance with standard N6900 that prescribes the basic requirements such as dimensions, hardness, and sample mechanical testing. The tools must be replaced immediately when the insulation is worn out. UNIOR insulated tools are thoroughly tested and guarantee work safety,